All right. Well, I kind of figured that since there isn't a lot of info on these bad boys anywhere to be found, this is a 2002 Panzer Digger, made by Panzer, or was made by Panzer, out of Colorado. They built bikes for a couple years, didn't build many. This is a Panhead engine. They called it the Neopan, built by Accurate Engineering in Alabama. There's the Panzer right there. Mallory. It's got Jim's lifters and stuff. Andrew's cams. Jim's 6-speed. Forward controls. High compression engine. Horseshoe tank. Chromed. Everything's chrome. Softail. Paughco or Paughco. I don't know how you say it exactly, but that's the frame this baby has. Apparently they used all or mostly outsourced parts from the United States. So it's pretty legit. Runs great. Grab a handful of this baby and it actually goes real good. I have a sport bike, 1000cc, and it hauls, of course, but this baby is just a torque monster. Got the nice ghost flames in there, blue. I think we'll cold start it here. You can check it out. It's got 3,000 miles on it. Like I said, it is an 02. .21-inch Thanks for looking.